Oh, Evan here again with another DITry. This week we're going to make some duct tape monster cups for Halloween, or I'm going to try to. Anyway, we've got our colored duct tape here, a cup to decorate, and some scissors just to help cut things. Anyway, start off by taking some strips of duct tape and wrapping them around the cup. Ooh, I don't necessarily do the best job here, but that's the basic idea. Once your cup is covered with duct tape, then we can move on to cutting up pieces to decorate it. Okay, I covered my cup in orange duct tape, and now I'm going to lay out some black duct tape, and I'm going to cut out some shapes to place on the cup to create my jack-o'-lantern face. First off, I'm going to lay out some strips of black duct tape on a cutting board, keep it nice and smooth, and once I've done that, well, I started off cutting out shapes with a pair of scissors, but then changed my mind and went to a utility knife. That actually ended up working probably a little bit better. The way it works here is I can cut out particular shapes and then place them directly on the cup. In this case, I'm going to cut out some eyes and nose and mouth for my jack-o'-lantern. gorgeous? Maybe not. But hey, it can still hold various things. Nice Halloween drink, whatever you may wish. I tried a second try with my Frankenstein design. I kind of like that a little bit better. I made the hair on the top of the Frankenstein by slicing out a long strip of duct tape, folding it over so a little bit of adhesive was on the top, and then snipping bits of hair on the bottom to sort of create that effect, and then just wrapping it around the top. Anyway, that's my attempt at making some duct tape themed cups for Halloween. Well, I got these ideas from duckbrand.com, which has a whole lot of cool duct tape craft ideas, as well as some really nice Halloween ones in particular. My suggestion would be, in the future, the sturdier cups work a lot better for wrapping the duct tape around. Kind of obvious in hindsight, but hey, you live and learn. Anyway, try it out yourself and see if you can do better. Thanks for watching, and we'll come back next week with another DITry.